Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. The Mirror Portal. Full story. One night, a young man who was known for having weird paranormal experiences was at home on his phone just scrolling through social media. He started to feel an eerie feeling coming over him, and he kept on noticing the standing mirror that was leaned up on his wall. He put the mirror there himself, so he had no reason to be suspicious of it. He continued to do what he was doing.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
He noticed something from the corner of his eye and looked up to see an old woman just staring at him in his mirror. His heart stopped for a moment as he froze. Where could he go? The mirror was by the door. He froze until Granny disappeared and instantly went to cover the mirror. In fear of the unknown, he slept on his couch until he dumped the mirror. Later he found out that the mirror is a portal, especially since the mirror was facing his window and he could see outside through it. He was told that spirits can walk in and out through mirrors as they wish, and a mirror facing a window invites Duppy and demons to use it to get to where they are going.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories for more.